Feast your eyes on this mouth-watering pizza we're about to whip up. Hey everyone, it's David from PotOfPlenty. In today's episode, we're turning simple, store-bought dough into a culinary masterpiece. And hey, if you love easy and delicious recipes, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Ever dreamt of making amazing pizza without the hassle of scratch-made dough? Stay tuned for some genius kitchen hacks. Our toppings are going to be epic and not just the usual cheesy affair. On today's menu, a classic cheese pizza and a pepperoni pizza, but with a garlicky twist at the top. We're all about that restaurant quality pizza right at home. What's your go-to pizza topping? Drop it in the comments below, please. Our journey starts with this store-bought dough. It's quick, it's easy, like your mother, and it's about to get a lot tastier. Let's roll out some magic. No waiting around for this dough to rise. Crank up that oven to max. Ready your pans, get them to medium. It's pizza crafting time. Here's the secret twist. A splash of olive oil, a dash of salt, basil, and oregano. These simple ingredients, they're game changers for flavour. While in the pan, it's important to keep the pie moist. So I use some vegetable oil on top of it to keep it from getting dry. Saucing time. It's all about that perfect balance. A flavourful foundation is key, but let's avoid the soggy pizza trap. Nobody likes a soggy bottom. Cheese is more than just a topping, it's art. Generous yet balanced. That's our cheese mantra. Now let's get that pizza in the oven that you remember to preheat. I have allowed some of the mozzarella to go to the very edge. I'm swirling it to pick up the nice round mozzarella pieces.
This is the way.
And now our little pepperoni star. A little garlic butter on the base adds that chef's kiss of flavour. Mwah. If you're using square dough, try and cut little edges off the dough so that it fits nicely into the pan, and then give it a little tap and push it down onto the hot surface. After a few minutes, you can then easily remove the top piece of paper. A few more minutes after that, you can flip it over and then you can add some seasoning. Then you can add your passata, spread it out smoothly. Pepperoni time. Evenly distributed for the perfect bite. Quality ingredients make all the difference. If you can get the pepperoni that cups, use that. A few little pieces of mozzarella on top of each pepperoni disc makes a big difference. Into the oven they go. Remember, pizza making is all about joy and creativity. And did you know an 18-inch pizza offers more deliciousness than two 12-inchers? I do apologise for the math. That's pizza pie for you. Time for the unsocials. Our moment to share some love from the internet. Let's dive in, see what they have to say. Always fun to hear from our viewers, even the cheeky ones. Keep those comments coming, they make my day. And that's how you make two stunning pizzas that are sure to impress. Give them a try and share your results. Remember to like, share and hit subscribe for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy pizza making. Good night and may your God go with you. Just a little bit of B-roll here of the old pepperoni. 9 pieces of pepperoni, 9 nice little mouthfuls of delicious pizza.
I didn't know that I was starving till I tasted you.
Delicious. Pop it into the convection oven, about 220 for about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Keep an eye on it. You'll only get that delicious brown base on a frying pan. Okay, pick one up and make doing an eye noise.
What are you talking about, Hal?
This conversation can serve no purpose anymore. Goodbye.